Hello everybody, hello. Shut your mouth and listen to me, okay? Do you want ice cream? Well, sit down, relax. I'm gonna cook for you. Side note, I don't really have a lot of ingredients. 2 ingredients that I know that I need that I want to go get. Wowzers, what was that? I don't even know. This is one of the ingredients. We need this. Also, this was $15. Second of all, we need ice. Apparently you need protein powder. I don't know if we got protein. Hello, mother. Hi, I have a question. Do we have protein powder? Okay. Girl, she said, what is protein powder? Obviously, we don't got it. We're gonna go search the cabinets really quick for some type of powder. This is what I found. Some beet latte. I don't know what that is, but I found that. I also found this peanut butter thingy. I don't even think it's open. But does this work as protein? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm spilling. 1 second, please. Welcome to my kitchen. So far in the freezer, we found strawberry, blackberry, and we got another bag of strawberries. Found this, which I think we can use as protein powder. I'm not sure. We're gonna be working with what we got, okay? We're gonna make a delicious concoction with these delicious ingredients. Trust me, I'm a chef. I don't even think this is open. This is not open. A bit too frozen. We're gonna let that defrost for a little bit. We're gonna start off with the matcha flavor. Oh, we need milk. We need milk. You got some milk? You got some milk? I got some handy dandy milk. I can't decide which one I want to make, so we're gonna make all 3 and we're gonna do a taste test. First, we're gonna start off with. Oh, actually, no, wait. I heard you put ice. Gosh, this smells like spices. Yeah, we got the ice. Shake, shake, shake. Is that enough ice? Oh, I gotta go pee. It looks like snow. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is good. Oh, vanilla extract. I'm gonna go get some vanilla extract. I forgot that would taste so good with that. Now we're gonna add this to the ingredient list. So we have this. And then, what do you do after this? Spoon. Got a spoon. You add this. I'm not sure how much. Wait, I need a bathroom. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's put, how much are you supposed to put? Like that much? We're just gonna wing it here. That looks about right. Don't ask me nothing. 1 teaspoon. That look about, oops. Okay. Okay, well, you get the memo. What else are we supposed to add in here? Oh, milk, duh. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. About right? I don't know. Yeah, babes, I spilled. That's what I did. I spilled. Okay. That tastes so good. It's very slimy. A bit more milk. Is this broken? Look how slimy this looks. I don't think it's supposed to be this slimy. I don't think it's supposed to do that. You learn from your mistakes. I think we used too much of this. So this batch, we learn. We use less of this. because that was slimy. Anyways, cleaned. So now it's time for the second set. Let's get our ice. Oops. 2, 3. One. Right. Now, where did the spoon go? Okay. Woo. Never go wrong with some vanilla. Oh, we're gonna less of this. We learned from the last batch that a little bit goes a long way. That much? Wait, that vanilla with ice tastes kind of good. Then let's open this. Is that too much? Wait. Feels like peanut butter. But like lightweight peanut butter. I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh, I forgot an ingredient. Oh my god. I can't believe I forgot an ingredient. Just for the record. Will says to step up from the other one. I don't know. Maybe you have to add more peanut butter? Maybe, I don't know. More milk? Maybe a little bit more vanilla. And maybe a little bit more ice. Maybe a little bit of this. And now let's see. It's not falling down. Well, now it just fell down. Definitely better than the previous one, but still not my fave. One more to go. And this one is gonna be more of a very, very black. We got frozen straw. Why does that feel not frozen anymore? Feels soggy. Very, very, very bit of vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A bit more. For a little bit. I think this is my fave. Yeah, that was my fault. That is so messy. Look at that. Look how good this looks. Ooh, Salam Kabram, over and out. Thank you for coming to my kitchen with me.
Let's be honest. That's a pretty sorry battalion you got there, isn't it?
Right now it is.
Who's the first nominee for the men?
Hello, is this thing on? Let's just get this over with because I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not trying. This is my third time trying it because I forgot to record. This nasty piece of. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna go off with this one. Like I said, it tastes like watered down peanut butter. If I wanted watered down peanut butter, I could have put peanut butter in a water bottle and shook it up and have some watered down peanut butter. This is a no. This one, that is a no. And this one is extra slimy. Like, look. This is something the Grinch eats for breakfast on the regular, okay? I'm not gonna even attempt to eat this again because my stomach hurts after that. This one is not the best, but it's the best out of the worst. So, we're gonna put this. This one's gonna be higher up there. We're gonna go first, second, and third. But in actuality, this is absolutely not, okay? So what we're not gonna do is make this ever again. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this journey. Me, you, chef, me, chef, you know chef, you watch chef, say yes chef, I chef. Bye, love you. And the best out of the worst is this one. If I have to choose, say so myself, choose. this one. And then this one, and then this one. Ooh. Ooh. You wish that was you, huh? You wish that was you, huh? That was good.